Have you ever wondered about the rich, creamy slice of history behind one of New York City's most iconic desserts? New York City cheesecake bakeries became famous by perfecting a unique, rich style of cheesecake, often called New York style, which originated from diverse culinary influences and was popularized through iconic establishments that captured the city's vibrant spirit. The why behind this fame is deeply rooted in culinary innovation and cultural adaptation. Early European immigrants, particularly Jewish and German bakers, brought their traditional cheesecakes to New York. They adapted these recipes, swapping out drier cottage cheese for richer, smoother cream cheese, which was mass-produced in America starting in the late 1800s. This innovation, combined with a signature crumbly crust and often a hint of lemon, created a dessert that was denser, creamier, and more luxurious than its European predecessors, making it an instant sensation. The way these bakeries achieved widespread renown involved a blend of consistent quality and strategic placement within New York's burgeoning restaurant scene. Establishments like Lindy's and Reuben's restaurant in the Theater District served their distinct cheesecakes to celebrities and Broadway goers, quickly elevating its status. Later, places such as Junior's in Brooklyn and S&S Cheesecake in the Bronx continued this tradition, becoming beloved neighborhood institutions that attracted customers from all over the city and beyond, through word of mouth and critical acclaim. A key insider detail is the emphasis on high-quality ingredients and specific baking techniques. Authentic New York-style cheesecake typically uses a large amount of full-fat cream cheese, sometimes including sour cream or heavy cream for extra richness, and is baked in a water bath. This water bath technique ensures a slow, even cooking process, preventing cracks and resulting in that signature silky, smooth texture that became a hallmark of the city's famous bakeries. It is a precise art that truly sets them apart. Ultimately, the fame of nice cheesecake bakeries boils down to a delicious fusion of immigrant culinary heritage, an innovative use of local ingredients like American cream cheese, and the vibrant, influential stage that New York City itself provided. These bakeries did not just sell dessert, they sold a taste of the city's diverse culture and an experience of unparalleled creamy indulgence, making their distinct cheesecake a celebrated symbol of New York's enduring culinary legacy.